I got paid $33.64 per video watching videos on YouTube with XCAD. The process to make money watching YouTube videos is very easy. There is nothing much you're required to do other than watching videos the same way you watch on YouTube. In this video, we'll discuss the XCAD network. Now in 2021, with all these gaming ventures, there was a huge increase in play to be had. While you were playing, you were earning, and in 2022, we made the switch to walk to earn, or move to earn, where you could actually take steps every day and gain as a result. Now in 2023, we have watch to earn, and this is what we'll describe in the video. The more you watch, the more money you make. There is no limit to how many videos you can watch. Even if you want to spend all day, every day watching, it's up to you. Each video has its own earnings. All video views don't pay the same money. Some views will earn you more money than others. We are quite pleased to discuss the cryptocurrency project XCAD network, where you can make hundreds of dollars every single day just by watching YouTube. We will give you a quick lesson overview on how to do this. Additionally, you can now earn rewards for following your favorite YouTubers and for watching content in a way that is most helpful to the channel's creators. To compete with Mint, users must improve their NFT the fastest, which we'll go over in more detail in a moment. They must also watch videos in the most trustworthy manner. If we open this plugin in my browser and then go down, all we have to do is click on one of these YouTube videos, watch it, and we'll instantly make over $33.46. If we want to withdraw this money right now, we just need to click on Claim Rewards to submit our request, at which point we will receive the funds. Therefore, gentlemen, we're going to demonstrate in today's video how you can actually get money by simply viewing YouTube videos. You already perform this task every day, so why not be compensated for it? We want to cover every possible angle in this movie, so it's crucial that you stick with us from start to finish. Today, we're going to introduce to you guys a brand new function called Play that lets you earn cryptocurrency by viewing YouTube videos, and you'll actually get paid for it. The following items are for your consideration. The number of people watching YouTube each month is 2.6 billion. The world's 1.7 billion gamers outnumber runners by a margin of 621 million to 1. This project's unrivaled potential and wealth leads us to believe that it will unquestionably become the next major trend. Now that we've got your attention, I'm going to teach you guys how to create an account by taking you to my screen and actually taking you through the steps. You are aware of the plugin's download instructions, so let's quickly discuss them. It is already possible to download the app on Android, and iOS will follow soon. We will use my browser to do this. The Chrome browser will be used, and either the plugin will be downloaded or used in order for us to truly make money. We want to encourage you guys to hit the like button on this video, subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, turn on notification so that you will receive an immediate signal from YouTube when we upload another incredible video like the one you are viewing right now. In order to use the X card, Chrome must now be added. Clicking on the X card will take us to a screen that states to watch YouTube and terminate tokens, which is what we need to do right away. Join the revolution, watch to air. As a result, we will click Start Now and then join up as you do not already have an account. We are going to sign up right away by entering our email address and password, so a user account has already been established. But we want to show you something that is extremely essential. In reality, you are going to play, and we are going to make money in this particular video today, as you can see by the balance in your wallet, which is currently at 0,000. When we return to our browser, we will come here and click on the XCard plugin. If you try to play it right now, we will see that you need an access code. You can watch YouTube videos with the help of this access code. You guys will see exactly how to obtain this access code as we demonstrate. Drop the access code in this area. Press Ctrl-V to ensure that it stays there, and then select Verify Code to access so that it shows Access Granted. In order to best suit your needs, you can currently purchase a planet that is an NFT and can be enhanced. In order to buy your NFT and start earning, follow these steps. Pick a box. Place it at the top of BNB. Convert tokens. And basically get ready to end. At this point, all we need to do is choose a box. So picking a box is the first step. We are going to click this Choose a Box. Thus, it displays the mysterious box to us. Additionally, a less expensive NFT mint has been made available, enabling you to mint a cheap NFT for only $150. We are going with a special box. Therefore, the fact that this is a mystery box means that it has a 50-50 probability of being either common or rare. We will therefore proceed to this preparation box. Click on the Compute Transaction Charge button, and then click Confirm. You must visit MyNet immediately. Click here to access additional information, and let us do that now. We are known for our 7/10 speeds, 6/10 log, and 6/10 stamina. So the first thing we are going to do is come back here and activate our NFT, after which we will hit the Activate button, and this will be turned on. We are at level 26, therefore you can effectively start ending by watching YouTube videos. So we are going to come here to Play, so click on Play and come down. And these are all the channels right here. You can watch videos and eventually get paid for it. Choose a specialty. There is gaming, sports, leisure, phones, technology, and education. Whatever you like, you may go with it, since we want to go with a phone or lifestyle, whichever is perfectly acceptable. So we basically watch any of these videos and start generating money by using NFT. So what we are going to do right now is watch a few videos. Okay. Click and open your browser in My tab, then go to YouTube and select one of the videos from any channel. So this comes up right here. It says, play the video, and it is being viewed and recorded as it happens right now. So it says your QR review has been recorded, which suggests that they are looking for this video and will be rewarded for watching it. Go check out how much money we have made. So obviously you watch YouTube videos, and the more you watch, the better. The more you earn, the more you get paid. Much like with End Awards, which may be claimed in the Rewards section. To claim your benefits, go to Claim Rewards. They are adding a lot more gamification to the display area, which will give you a lot of various options for optimizing your net NFT to achieve the maximum finishing power. The XCAD team has stated that there will be 11 XP system improvements left, as well as many more. All these new elements are going to make this game really addicting, and we cannot wait to see them appear in order to gain entry to the play area. You will need an access code, which is currently quite difficult to obtain. Another intriguing approach to make money with XCAD is to participate in the referral program. So if you keep a high level of referrals, you may earn a lot of money that you can truly offer your pals access codes once they join. We want to thank you for viewing this video from start to finish. And until we see you in my future video, keep winning!